Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to start a strict challenge on Duolingo. Now if you're on Duolingo and you want to start a strict challenge to stay motivated, here's how to do it. First of all, just click on this right there up there. Then you scroll down and you see strict challenge. You can join the challenge. Join the challenge costs 50 gems, but it will keep you motivated. So once you join the challenge, you will now choose whether it's a 7-day challenge, a 14-day challenge, or a 30-day challenge. I'll show you. So first of all, it's going to start with a 7-day challenge. So you just have to log in every day, complete lessons until 7 days, and then you would have completed that streak. Then there's the 14 days and the 30 days. Now, if you complete 30 days, you unlock a reward. If you complete 100 days, you unlock a reward, and you complete a whole year, you unlock another reward. You also get achievements for completing them, which will give you gems. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.